Hello everyone. We have assembled this Rubbermaid shed a few years back in our old house backyard. It's 7 by 7 feet in dimensions. We bought this from Home Depot. Shed does not come with a base, so we had to build one ourselves. In this video, I will try my best to explain how exactly we built the base and how we assembled the shed itself. You see me as a little kid in some of the pictures helping my dad. Also, my grandfather was around to help with the project. We purchased concrete blocks and pressure-treated lumber, 4x4 for the base and 2x6" to overlay on the base 4x4 lumber. Spread the concrete blocks in 3 rows and placed 4x4s on all the corners and the middle first floor. The ground is not leveled, so we had to put some wood pieces to make the base leveled. After making sure everything is leveled, place 2x6s on top for the firm base for the shed. Use 3-inch screws to secure top wood to 4x4 base. Here's the finished base, leveled and ready to start putting the shed together. Place shed's floor on the base. All sides of the floor has Lego-like grooves where walls can be attached. We assemble all the walls. Assembling the walls was the easiest job. Just insert into the floor grooves. Next, we assembled the doors with tiny windows. Attached the doors and also added top frame on front and back, which screws came with the shed. Next, attach the metal frame to hold the roof of the shed and attach the top roof. It is simply attached with the screws. Here, my sister came to inspect the work. She is pretty much the boss for my dad. When my dad was not around, my sister wanted to have some fun with the roof, and I joined her in the fun project. Rest of the work moved pretty fast. Attach the rest of the roof to the shed. That's the final product. Assembling is pretty straightforward if you follow the instructions. We have spent more time building the base for the shed to make sure it was leveled and all. It's been 5+ years now, and the shed is still in pretty good shape. Thanks for watching.